Hi everyone, this is Toxinus Philippines teaching how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently. Our top gainer for the day is Prim, but there's no volume. It's gonna be to go. It's making all-time highs again, as usual. Okay. So looking at the chart, so it's still making all-time highs. Thus, I cannot properly plot resistance, but support is at 24.16. 15 EMA and 20 SMA are both pointing upwards and is acting as support. 50 SMA and 200 SMA are positively sloped as well, suggesting medium-term and long-term trend is upwards. Volume is increasing in support of a bullish trend. MACD is bullish, RSI is bullish, but is now extremely overbought. So let's see if it can stay overbought for extended periods of time. To go had mhm, a profit of 1.339 billion in 2016. This is roughly 6.93% in net profit margin. EPS is at 0.54. Using this EPS, PE ratio is at 44 times, which is extremely expensive. However, we must also consider the forward earnings of the company, especially that it had SM Group has taken an equity share in the company. So synergies would be expected, thus increasing its income in the future. Stock is was trading at 8.91 times price to book value, which is uh kinda or yeah, it is really expensive. Okay, so let's go to the losers. We have Seven or Philippine Seven Corporation, down almost 11% with a value of 17 million. So let's see. Fundamentally, the stock had a net profit of almost 1.2 billion. So that will translate to a net profit margin of 3.61% and an EPS of 2.56. Okay, now using this EPS, stock is trading at 59.77 times PE, so this is also quite expensive. Stock is also trading at 13.54 times price to book value, which is also expensive. Now looking at the chart, okay, that's a confirmed breakdown. Support should have been at 165, followed by 153, which is the close for today. If the stock will further move downwards, support is at 144.91. 15 EMA and 20 SMA are both pointing upwards and is poised for a bearish crossover with a 50 SMA. There was quite some volume but not that high. On the drop today, MACD is bearish. RSI is also bearish and is pointing downwards. It's almost at oversold conditions. So let's see, because most of the time it respected oversold conditions. But general trend over the long term, it's still in an uptrend. The uptrending line is still not broken, so this is still a valid uptrend. Most probably, stock will hit support at 144.91. Thank you for watching and listening to our top gainer and top loser analysis for May 31, 2017. This is Stock Signals Philippines teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently.